Creating a CRM system in Google Sheets is a simple and cost-effective way to track leads, clients, and communications. Here's how to build one. Open a new Google Sheet. Go to Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. Name it something like CRM Dashboard. Set up columns. In row 1, label your columns to capture key customer information. Name, email, phone, company, status, last contact date, next follow-up, notes. Customize with drop-downs and formatting. Use data validation to create drop-down menus for the status column. Apply conditional formatting to highlight overdue follow-ups or hot leads. Use filters and sorting. Add filters to each column to quickly sort by contact status or date. Link with Google Forms. Create a Google form to capture new leads and automatically feed them into the sheet. Collaborate in real time. Share the sheet with your team and allow edits or comments to keep everyone in sync. Automate reminders. Use Google Apps Script or tools like Zapier to send email follow-ups or alerts.